The true measure of the value of any product is its performance. Performance that displays quality, inspires innovation, and fulfills the promise given to a customer. SRP Crane Controls India Pvt Ltd, performing successfully since 2000. Based on the solid foundation of excellence, our state-of-the-art manufacturing unit is located at Shapar, Veraval, Rajkot, Gujarat, India. We are one of the most reputed manufacturer and supplier of industrial crane and control equipment, believing in the values of quality, innovation and performance. We are achieving new milestones every year. At SRP Crane Controls, we offer a wide, comprehensive range of products that caters to all various needs of different industries. We manufacture crane pendant bush button stations that are completely made in India. They are unbreakable and waterproof. We specialize in wireless radio remote control systems with fully customized solutions of new and unique design. They are unbreakable and waterproof. We also make DSL Busbar system and its accessories, current collector assembly, festoon system and accessories, electric crane cable carrier, I-beam cable trolley, wheels of all size in metal and plastic material, limit switches all type, plastic unbreakable push button unit, anti-collision device, 3-phase DSL indicating lamp, and many other customized products. Overall, we have more than 250 products in our portfolio. They all promise high strength, durability, fine finish, easy installation, and superb performance. They are manufactured in a highly advanced manufacturing unit spread in more than 1,000 square yard area to produce world-class quality products. We have established ultra-modern infrastructure equipped with latest machineries such as molding machines, rolling machines, press machines, CNC, VMC, PCB printing and soldering machine. When these advanced machines and our skilled manpower come together, excellence follows.
The ultimate objective of production process is to create product that satisfies the customer. When our highly advanced technology and skilled manpower comes together, excellence follows.
Our employees are most valuable assets. They are the ones whose efforts and commitment has made us what we are today. At SRP Crane Controls, we put great emphasis, quality control and strictly adhere to all the standards set by Quality Management System ISO 9001-2015. Starting from the procurement of raw materials or bought-out components to the finished product, we do thorough quality testing to make sure only the best product reaches our customers. The application of our products is endless. They are widely used in many industries such as automotive, container handling, mining, paper and forest products. ports, petroleum and gas, general manufacturing, power and nuclear, etc. We supply our products in various parts of India as well as export it to many countries in the world.
We have a vision to achieve sales turnover of 100 crores by 2025 and earn the reputation as a company that delivers reliable and best-in-class material handling solutions globally.
SRP Crane Controls India Pvt Ltd. Material handling redefined.